What's happening, guys? Myself and Bruno have just come back from a 6K run here in Durban and Westcliff, and oh my gosh, what a difference running in Durban opposed to Joburg. Durban was, I literally felt like I was running on an incline like this the whole way, but it was good. And we've got a cup of coffee. We're getting ready for the 3-day workshop that's happening today. We're going to be covering a lot of information with our Durbanites, building our network in Durban. There's Bruno. Guys. So now, Bruno, what are you going to be covering today?
Hey guys, so today's going to be an exciting day. We're going to speak strategies. We're going to look at property as a business, and we're going to try and figure out how to make sure that people actually run their property businesses properly. We're going to look at tax, we're going to look at asset protection, we're going to look at how to get money from the banks, we're going to have conversations over risk, and then later on in the day, we're going to chat about OTPs, how to make offers, how to negotiate with sellers, and yeah, how to make sure that you're protected when getting into a deal.
Absolutely. And then we got Nash. Nash is one of our town planners here in Durban, talking about the different nodes, zoning, and there's a lot happening in the Durban CBD. And if I compare Durban CBD to Joburg, it wins hands down. There's so much going on in that CBD, good things. So I'm looking forward to bringing some guest speakers in this weekend. My boy is here, Sam's, and my whole team's come down. And yeah, we're looking at building a massive network here in Durban. So guys, stay tuned and I'll keep you guys up to date.